caw, caw, caw. Is that good?
Sounded more like a castrated rooster.
I don't know. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael.
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. I don't know what a wedge-tailed eagle sounds like,
Nothing
so
like that, let me tell you.
I just picked a random bird impression. So if someone wants to post a comment below of what an actual wedge-tailed eagle
What
sounds
are we
like,
here for?
we're here. What are we here for?
We're unboxing the 2021 Wedge-Tailed Eagle.
Hey!
So, to much fanfare and interesting noises. We've had a lot of requests for these just lately, so
Yep.
we thought we'd better get the video out there real quick.
Perfect.
I'll be opening it.
All right. Do we want to tell the story now before we
While
open?
we're doing it, fill
Yep.
in the gap. So these are a limited production, as they are every year, of 50,000. Yuck, there's peanuts in this.
Oh, yum.
Oh.
Oh,
Have to open a full box, we can open a smaller one. And
Okay.
I'll put peanuts everywhere, so
Oh,
we
sweet.
might just do that.
okay.
So it's a limited edition of 50,000, the vast majority of which are dispatched immediately overseas.
How many were dispatched?
I can't give you exact numbers, I did know, but it looks like that may have changed slightly.
Oh, okay.
But approximately 40 something of the 50,000 will have gone overseas.
Yep.
So we were very lucky to secure a total of 5,000.
Yep.
However, in the first production run, they sent us 400 of our 5,000, and we're waiting on the balance on the next production run. So it'll probably be a few weeks down the track
Okay.
before the balance comes in. So, look, we're happy to take pre-orders on those ones if these are sold out, because we know they're coming. We're not too stressed about it. We just can't give you an exact time of when they come.
Gotcha.
But the first one's listed on the web. If you look on the web, on the advert, if it doesn't say pre-order, it's one of the 400. If it says pre-order, then it could be a few weeks delay in arriving.
Perfect.
So that,
Oh, yeah, put it on the thing.
down there as soon as we got the black felt out.
Yeah.
Make a good seagull, mate.
Thanks, mate. Where's my chippies? Australian wedge-tailed eagle. That's a... Oh, that's right. I saw the design of this before I've seen the thing. That is so cool.
I love half the design.
You love half of the
Well,
design.
Being a farm boy, I'm not so big on the snake.
Oh, okay. But hang on, the snake is being...
Yes, he's being traumatised.
Yeah. It's
I
being
know.
captured.
I appreciate that, and I've watched wedge-tailed eagles do it in the wild.
Wow.
But I don't know.
that.
It just does something to me.
I like it. I love that. It's a kind of just, I don't know, what your apex predator kind of thing going on there.
Yeah.
That is really cool.
I'd love to see them do this in a 10 ounce or a kilo coin. If you're
Yeah.
listening, Perthman.
Ah.
Because I mean, the detail you can see in the 1 ounce is great, but if you took that and put it on a 10 ounce coin,
Oh, on a 10 ounce or a kilo. Can you imagine a kilo?
yeah, it would be stunning.
That would be so cool. Australian wedge-tailed eagle. That is just beautiful. And we've got the designer, the little inscription there, the initials there. It looks like JM. Is that
Mr.
JM?
McCanty.
Mr. McCanty, yes. 2021 1 ounce, 9099 silver. Of course, we need to see. It wouldn't be an unboxing of Perthman if we didn't see Hamaj
That's
on the
the
back. Effigy of Hamaj. That is the usual one until it gets changed, possibly. You never know. Flip it back over. Not Hamaj, the wedge-tailed eagle side. And beautiful. Yeah, I would really love to see that in a larger coin. But correct me or school me. There is only the 1 ounce version in the wedge-tail,
Only
isn't
the
there?
1 ounce version. I'm actually slightly lying because if you go into the proofs and the high reliefs,
Let's
and that,
talk
they
in
do,
bullion.
in bullion, they only do the 1 ounce.
Because in the proofs and that they do a very high relief one.
They do, and they do 5 ounce in that as well.
Yep.
And it looks sensational.
Yes.
But yeah, it's that high relief extra money.
Yes. But bullion version 1 ounce only. Hey Perth Mint, let's do a...
Do a 10 ounce.
That'd be so cool.
It would be cool.
All right, so let's reiterate one more time for the viewers what's going on with these.
Okay, so limited edition of 50,000 worldwide. The vast majority, in excess of 40,000, have been shipped overseas. The balance we're being left to fight over in Australia. We secured 5,000. We've been delivered 400, which will be the ones that are up on the net when you see this video.
Yep.
Once those 400 have gone, we'll actually list it as pre-order, and then it'll be part of the other 4,500 odd that will turn up in a few weeks' time. I can't give you an exact time frame because Perth Mint hasn't given it to me yet, but it will be several weeks down the track.
Beautiful. Do we want to potentially open that box just to show for people who are watching for the first time how, you know, they come in boxes of 100 in the rolls and that and all that stuff? Shall we?
Happy to do it. Only
Good.
3 seconds.
Excellent. I think it's always good because if you want to buy a box of 100, this is how they will come. So first off, sealed box of 100.
Yep. So it comes with the blue band.
Yeah. So if you buy 100, you'll get the sealed box with the seal, the whole deal.
We will try, if you buy at the start, we will definitely attempt to give you a sealed box.
Oh yes, correct. if we haven't had to pull some for 20 here, 30 there, whatever.
And then they come in rolls of 20.
Yep. Sealed
Like
rolls
so.
of 20.
So by sealed, we just mean they're shrink wrapped.
Yep. But it's like it's much more of like a thicker, harder shrink wrapping. Yeah.
And then it goes to the single from there, all in the capsules.
Beautiful. Okay, you know what to do if you're watching this right now. They are available on the website again. You might get part of the first 400 if it says pre-order. They'll be coming in a number of weeks. We'll try and update everyone as they, we find out when they're coming in. Good luck. Anything else we need to tell them?
That's it.
All right, that's it from me.
And from me too.
See you soon.
See ya.